Hello class, welcome back to our second session. And for our second session, we are going to study Art for K3B. So everyone, please prepare your study materials, Art for K3B and colors. So our lesson for today is from Unit 18. Open your book to page 18, everyone. So this is our Art for K3B book, and open this book to page 18. So this will be our new lesson for today. Find and color the vehicles and aircrafts. So before we start, teacher would like to give some definitions about vehicles and aircrafts. So as you can see already, these are the vehicles, meaning vehicle is a thing used for transporting people or goods, especially on land, such as a car or cart or even the trains. So I'm gonna show you these vehicles or land transportation. These are the vehicles. We have taxis, cars like that. We also have this one, trains, and this one also we call like motorbike or bicycle. So these are the things that we call vehicles by land. Okay, everyone?
Here's a bike. It has 2 wheels and we can move it by using these pedals. You can ride around the city with it or bike up a mountain. Here's a motorbike. It also has 2 wheels, but they are powered by a motor. A motorbike will whiz you around the city much faster. Don't forget to wear a helmet. This is a car. It's one of the most popular. It has 4 wheels and can fit your family. Let's go for a drive. Here's a van. It's similar to the car, but the trunk is much bigger. You can fill it up with things. This is a bus. Once you get on, the driver will take you and up to 50 more passengers. Let's go. This is a truck. It's used to take merchandise from one place to another. Let the adventure begin. Here's a train. It's pulled by a locomotive and connected with wagons. It needs tracks to ride on and pick up speed. It can go really fast.
Now let's proceed to our aircraft. So this is the definition about aircraft. So an aircraft is a vehicle also, that is able to fly by gaining support from the air. Common examples of aircrafts include airplanes, helicopters, airships. So these are the examples of the aircraft. So this is airplane. This is also an aircraft. We call this one a helicopter, and this is a airship. Okay, everyone? So these are different kinds of vehicle.
This is a plane. It's really big and has been designed to travel long distances. We could go from London to Hong Kong and have a trip around the world. This is a small plane. It can only fit a small number of people. It can fly lower and closer to the ground. Here's a helicopter. It is able to fly thanks to its big propeller. It is placed just on top of the cabin. We use it when we need to rescue someone or when we want to move very fast from one place to another. This is a hot air balloon. It uses a gas that helps it fly. The passengers will travel in the basket. And last but not least is the rocket. These are designed to fly outside the Earth's atmosphere. Astronauts use them to go to the moon. They go super fast.
Now our lesson for today, we are going to look for those vehicles in our Art for K3B book. Are you willing to help teacher, everyone? Now take out your colors and let's find the vehicles, land vehicles, and also the aircraft. So are you ready, everyone? Okay, take out your Art for K3B book and let's find the vehicles first, land vehicles. So you can also open your book and you can also look at the whiteboard because teachers stick already. They're kind of big picture in here. Now we are going to find the what? We are going to find the vehicles first. So as you can see already, like what I've said earlier, vehicles are land transportation. Usually transport the people or thing. Okay? So we already talked about the cars, right? Can you see car in here, everyone? So there you are. So color this car whatever colors do you like. Okay, everyone? Teacher will color this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, ding! So teacher color this car, yellow car. Okay? Next, let's find the another vehicle like train. So I see already a train, railway. So there you are. So this is a train. So let's color this one, okay? So this is the train, another vehicle. Now let's find another one vehicle. So there is a motorbike in here. So this is also a vehicle. Let's color this one, okay? Ding. Yes. Next is bicycle. Yeah, there you are. So this is the bicycle. Very good. Next is, we already done for our vehicle. Now let's find all the aircraft. So like I mentioned earlier, we have airplane, helicopters, and airship. So let's find out. So we have, there you are, a helicopter. So let's color this one. Great job. Next is airplane or airplane. So where's airplane, everyone? Can you help teacher? There you are. So why is it here? It should be up there, right? So anyway, let's color the airplane, okay? Ta-da! Well done. So that is our art for today. So if you can find any transportation in here from land and air, you can also continue this activity. And don't forget to finish your classwork and homework, everyone. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye.